Hi, welcome to Python Polygon. Today's topic is going to be geometry, okay? So, geometry is basically everything to do with shapes, sizes, all that, okay? So, basically, we deal with polygons in this, we deal with circles, sometimes it goes 2D, 3D, etc., okay? So, today, geometry will deal only in 2D, okay? 3D ka I did in the topic called mensuration, okay? You can go check it out, and let's get started, okay? So basically, in polygons, there are few important topics like sum of interior angles is n minus 2 into 180, okay, in degrees, or n minus 2 into pi in radian, okay, and every single angle in a regular n-sided polygon can be written as n minus 2 into 180 divided by n. Okay, we'll come to this when the questions come. Sum of all exterior angles in any polygon will come as 360 degree. Okay, and number of sides is 360 degree by their exterior angle, whatever. So in a three-sided polygon is called a triangle. Okay, we all know that. Area can be written as in many ways. One is half into base into height. There is Heron's formula, that is root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is semi-perimeter. Okay, it can be written as r into s, where r is in radius. That is a different concept. So also it can be written as half into product of two sides into sine of the angle between them. Okay, so we know it is, this is called sine rule, half into ab into sine c. Okay, similarly there is something called congruence of triangles and similarity of triangles. Okay, congruence of triangles means the two triangles are exactly the same copies of each other. Similarity is one is like a parent, one is like a child. Okay, both of them look similar, they have similar features, but they are different in sizes. Okay, not in shape. Okay, similarly there is something called a equilateral triangle where all the sides are equal, and again each angle is 60 degree. There is a altitude, that is basically the median also, and the angle bisector also, in fact. Okay, and isosceles triangle is when two sides are equal, one side is not equal to the third side, and then we can have the area as b by 4 into, this is not required, we can find it on other ways. So in circles, basically there is something called a tangent and a secant. Okay, so in a circle, this is called a tangent where it touches the circle only once. Okay, a line touching the circle only once is called a tangent, and a line cutting the circle twice is called a secant. Okay, so secant and tangent. Secant is spelled like this, secant. Okay, so length of direct common tangent is O1 O2 square minus R1 minus R2 square. This is fine. We'll solve when question comes. Okay, we'll start with the questions. So the first question is, if each interior angle of a regular polygon is 108 degree, the number of sides of the polygon is what? Okay. So I told you the sum of all angles in a polygon can be written as sum of number of sides minus 2 into 180. Okay. So if it's a regular polygon, each side will be divided by n. Okay, this is equal to 108. So I will just cross multiply. 180n minus 360 is equal to 108n. So I will get this as 72n is equal to 360. 72n is equal to 360. So n comes as 5. Okay, number of sides is 5. That's all. Next question. The ratio of angles in a triangle is 2 is to 3 is to 5. Okay, find the smallest angle. We know that all of the sides add up in the, all of the angles in a triangle add up to 180. Okay, so the ratio is 2 is to 3 is to 5. I'll say 2x plus 3x plus 5x is equal to 180. Smallest angle will be 2x, right? So I'll just add this up. I'll get 8 and 10. 10x equal to 180. So I'll just divide by 5 because I don't want x here, I want 2x. So just divide by 5 on both the sides. You will get 2x is equal to 36. Okay, so that is the answer. 36 is the smallest angle. Next question. Very easy. Two medians AD and BE of triangle ABC. So always draw diagrams for geometry. Okay. AD and BE are medians. Okay. AD, BE. Okay. They intersect O. This is O at right angles. Okay. This is the right angle. AD is given as 9. BE is given as 6. Length of BD is what they're asking. Okay. So basically if I zoom in, okay, I will see, I need to find BD, okay. So I'm interested in this length, okay. So I will zoom into that part. I will write this as B and this as D, just to make you understand. Just look at this 90 degree, okay. So this angle is supposed to be 90 degree, okay, and this part is nothing but BO, okay, because this is O and this is DO, okay. So there is one property that you need to know. It says that if this is the centroid, right? Because two medians are passing, hence it's a centroid, okay. Centroid is the meeting point of the three medians, in fact. So if two medians are passing, then that point is called the centroid. Okay, the centroid always divides the median. Okay, this is AD is a median, BE is a median in the ratio 2:1. Okay, so if this is the ratio 2:1, that means 2x plus x in this AD is equal to 3x. Okay, that is 9. 3x is equal to 9, so x is equal to 3. Okay, so is DO equal to 3? Because this was x, right? So this is equal to 3. Similarly, this is also in the ratio 2:1. Okay, so if I see BO is to OE, you'll get 2:1. So 2x plus x is equal to, here it is 6. Okay, so x comes as 2 here. So I need 2x over here because it is 2:1 from the vertex to the base. Okay, so 2:1, hence this will be 4. Okay, so this will be 4. Now can I find BD square? Because this is a right angle triangle, I get OB square plus OD square is equal to BD square. Okay, so I get 4 square plus 3 square, okay, is equal to BD square. So BD square is equal to 25, which implies that BD is equal to 5. Okay, simple. Next question. The side AB of a parallelogram is produced to E in such a way that BE is equal to AB. DE intersects BC. Okay, let's draw the diagram. So we'll say this is the parallelogram where this is A, B, C and D, and AB is produced to E such that BE is equal to AB, BE is equal to AB. So this is E, okay. So BE is equal to AB here, and DE intersects BC at Q. DE intersects BC at a point called Q, okay. The point Q divides BC in what ratio? See, first of all, it's a parallelogram, hence CD is parallel to AB. Okay, so let me just write the different angles that are there. Okay, and also AD is parallel to BC. Okay, because it's a parallelogram. I can write this angle is equal to this angle because of corresponding angles, correct? So I can write this angle is A, this angle is A. Okay, and this angle I'll call it some angle E. Okay, so now if we see the two triangles, they look to be similar. Which two triangles? The triangle DAE and the triangle QBE. Why? Because see, angle A is equal to angle A. Angle E is common in both. Hence, using the AA criterion for similarity, the two triangles are similar. Okay, so if the two triangles are similar, their sides are going to be proportional. Okay, see, in a parallelogram, AD is equal to BC because opposite sides are equal. So AD is equal to BC. That's what I know. Okay, so I'll call this ADX. Okay, now I know AB is equal to BE. Hence, I will write the rule. See, in a similar triangle, the sides are proportional. Hence, AE, okay, AE is to BE, okay, is equal to BQ is to AD. Okay, so AD is to BQ. Okay. Now I want to know what is BQ. Okay. AE is what? 2 into B 2 into BE, right? Because it is equal. 2 into BE by BE is equal to AD is what? Nothing but BC, right? So this is nothing but BC using the formula. I mean using what we just found out. AD is equal to BC. So this is BC by BQ. Okay. Hence I get 2 is equal to BC by BQ. Okay. Therefore, I can write BC is equal to 2 into BQ. Okay. So, if this is 2 into, if this whole thing is 2 into BQ, okay, can BC be written as BQ plus QC? Yeah. So BQ plus QC is equal to 2 into BQ. Okay. So 1 BQ and 1 BQ can cancel. BQ is equal to QC. Hence BQ by QC is equal to 1. Okay. So it divides BC in the ratio 1 is to 1. Okay. That's the answer. Next question. In triangle ABC, AB equal to AC and BA is produced to D such that AC equal to AD. Okay. So we'll draw the triangle. We'll say this is A, B and C. Okay. We know AB is equal to AC. Okay. And BA is produced to some D such that AD is equal to AC. Okay. And I'll complete this triangle. Then the angle BCD they're asking. BCD, this whole big angle. Okay. So we know one property saying that angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So if this is X, this is X. Okay. Using that property, I'll call the side opposite to this, I mean angle opposite to this side is X. So angle opposite to this will be X. Okay. Now also I have one property saying that, see, the sum of the interior angles is equal to opposite exterior angle. So this will be equal to sum of these two interior angles. So this will be 2x. Okay. Now also I know that this side is equal to this side. So angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. Hence this will be some theta. This will be some theta. Okay. Using this triangle ADC, I can write theta plus 2x is equal to 180. Okay, so theta plus x is equal to 90 degree. If I write this 2 theta plus 2x equal to 180, you divide by 2 throughout, theta plus x is equal to 90. Okay, if theta plus x is equal to 90, this is nothing but theta plus x itself. That is nothing but 90. So angle BCD is what? 90 degree. That's all. Next question. If O is the circumcenter of triangle PQR and QOR is equal to 110 degree, QOR is 110, then OPR is 25. Angle PRQ is what? Okay. So in a circle, there is a property that the a segment in the circle subtends the same angle at all the points in the circumference. Okay. So the segment QR is subtending an angle, say P, right? So it'll be anywhere you take on the circle, it will still be the same angle P. Okay. So that's what the property means. And then there's another property. Okay. The same segment subtends an angle 2x at the center and x at the circumference. Okay. So this QR segment is subtending 110 at the center, right? So this is nothing but 2x. And this whole angle is going to be x. Okay. So they're asking the value of PRQ. PRQ is this angle. Okay. They want this angle. Now we know that this is x. This is 2x. If 2x is equal to 110, x is nothing but 55. Okay, so this angle is 55. So this small angle will be 30 degree. Okay, then again let's see this triangle OPQ. OP equal to OQ because it's a radius. So opposite angles are equal. This angle will be 30 degree. Okay, because this is 30. Okay, similarly equal to OR in triangle POR. Hence opposite angles are equal. So this angle will be 25 degree. This will be 25, this will be 25, this will be 30, this will be 30. Okay. So in this triangle, I can call this angle theta and this angle also will be theta. Okay. This 2x we can remove now. Yeah. So if this angle is theta, this angle is theta because opposite side similar. Okay. So PRQ we want. So we want the value of theta. Using angle sum property in triangle OQR, we'll get that theta plus 110 equal to 180. Okay, so 2 into theta is equal to 70. Theta is equal to 35 degree. Okay, if theta is equal to 35 degree, this will be 35. So angle PRQ is nothing but 25 plus 35. That will be come as 60. Okay, so this is the angle 60 degree. That's the answer. So simple, like just small observations we need. Okay, that's all. Next question. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to AC. Okay, so if we like, so obviously like we'll know that these angles are corresponding, hence they'll be equal, and these angles also are corresponding, hence they'll also be equal. Okay, so this triangle BDE will be similar to BAC. Okay, That is confirmed right now. Now, D and E are 2 points on AB such respectively. AB is equal to 20, AD equal to 8. BE is to CE, they're asking. Okay, BE is to CE is what? Okay, so now that we've proved that it's similar, okay, we have the sides are in the ratio, in the same ratios. Okay, so I can get that BD by BA is equal to BE by BC. Okay, BE by BC. Okay, now BD is what? 12, and BA is 12 plus 8, that is 20, is equal to BE by, I can say this as BE plus CE, right? So BE plus CE. Okay, now I can uh, boil this down to 3 by 5 is equal to BE by BE plus CE. Now I can take, I can reciprocate both the sides. I will get BE plus CE divided by BE is equal to 3 by 5. Sorry, 5 by 3. Okay. Now I can take this denominator to both the parts. So I get 1 BE by BE plus CE by BE is equal to 5 by 3. 5 by 3 can be written as 1 plus 2 by 3, right? So 1 and 1 can cancel. CE by BE is 2 by 3. But they are asking BE is to CE. BE by CE will therefore come as 3 is to 2. Because this is 2 by 3, take reciprocal, you'll get it as 2 is to 3. Sorry, 3 is to 2. So that's the final answer. Next question. The distance between two parallel chords, each of length 8, is what they're asking. Okay. So let's just complete the figure. I will draw the center of the circle. I will join this. I will join this. This is called the parallel distance. Okay. The distance between the two parallel chords is nothing but this whole distance. Okay. Now I can say this is O. OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD because it's a circle and those are the radii. Diameter is 10, so this will be 5, 5, 5 and 5. Okay. Using symmetry, this will be equally divided. So this will be 4 and this will be 4 and this will be 4 and this will be 4. Okay. Now can I find this distance? D. Using this triangle, I can get D square. Okay, d square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square, hence d square is equal to 9, d is equal to 3. Okay, so if this is 3, so d, if this part is 3, then this part will be 3, hence the distance between the two parallel chords will be 3 into 2, that is 6. That will be the answer. Easy. Next question. Radius of two concentric circles. Concentric circles means they have the same center. Okay, so the radii are given as 12 and 13. Okay, the chord of the greater circle can be a tangent to the smaller circle. So chord of the greater circle is tangent to the smaller circle. Okay, then the length of the chord is what? Now this we have to find out. First one property that I used immediately is tangent is always perpendicular to the radius. Okay, so this radius will be what? 12 because it's a smaller circle. Okay, and then this radius will be what? Because this is a point on the outer circle, this radius will be 13. Okay, so if I want to find this small part, I can use this triangle, right? O, we'll call this A, we'll call this B, we'll call this C. So I can use triangle OAB to find out the AB, right? By Pythagoras theorem, I'll get AB square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square. So I'll get AB square is equal to 13 square is 169 minus 12 square is 144. So AB square is equal to 25. Hence AB is equal to 5. Okay. So the length of the chord will be what? 2 into AB. Because this will be equal to this by symmetry. Hence if this is 5, this will be 5, this is 10. So 10 is the answer. Last question. Two equal circles whose centers are O and O dash intersect each other at points A and B. Okay, O dash is 24, AB is 10. Okay, so this is 10. Then the radius of the circle. We'll call this R. We'll call this R. If this whole thing is 10, this thing will be 5, right? So this thing is 5. This thing is 12. We have to find this. Simple. It's just a right angle triangle. So I'll get r square is equal to 5 square plus 12 square. That is nothing but 169 is r square. So r is equal to 13. Okay, so radius of the circle is 13. So this was the geometry part. The next topic is going to be heights, distances, and trigonometry. Okay, so make sure you watch that video also. I hope with this we come to the end of this topic. I hope you guys like the video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next topic.